Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something people could serve and snack on at a party, watching a game, on a road trip, or whenever. How about those spicy ranch crackers you like?
All right, let's make spicy ranch crackers. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious snacks that you could serve at a party or a tailgate or just make and eat all to yourself. So today, we're gonna make something super duper easy and delicious. We're gonna make spicy ranch crackers. Without further ado, let's go. So you wanna preheat your oven to 250. Then with a pan on medium heat, throw in a stick of butter. Then once that's melted, you can kill the heat, add 1 packet of ranch seasoning and about a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. We just get all that combined, stirred in, whatever you want to call it. Then we take out a large bowl and a box of the saltine minis, although you can use the regular sized ones. I've done it before and it works. So put those all in there. Then we take our buttery mixture and just dump it all over these guys. And then we just sort of toss to coat, just make sure and get them all coated. Then when you're confident that they're all coated, get out a sheet pan and just transfer them there and get the seasoning that you left behind in the bowl. Spread all your guys out as best you can. I'm just gonna hit these guys with a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. Spread that out a little bit. Then we're gonna bake these at 250 for 20 minutes, giving them a little shake and moving them around, toss them or whatever you wanna call it, every 5. Off we go. And here's our guys right out of the oven. You just gotta let them cool. And just like that, you got a delicious savory snack. And there we have our quick and easy spicy ranch crackers. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's salty, it's crunchy, it's ranchy, and it's got a good amount of kick. But hey, if you're not into that, then just leave it out or put less. Go make this perfect for road trips, perfect to put out as an appetizer at a party, eat it during a game, or just make a bunch and eat them all yourself. Throw it in a Ziploc bag, they're good for a while. Out of 10. That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man, because I'm the Rizzler, taking Route 67 to Skibbity Toiletville in Ohio, which is pretty mid, but it'll be bussin' once I'm there. No cap.
Huh?
I'm just trying to engage the youth's algorithm to get more views.
Well, check it out. We made these spicy ranch crackers you wanted, and of course we made some dog-friendly ones just for you. Well, here you go. Not a fan?
You like them, so people should definitely try making them. As for me, call me when there's bacon.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
For last year's words belong to last year's language, and next year's words await another voice. And to make an end is to make a beginning.
Nash kind of approves, I guess, sort of, verbally. I approve. Look, like I said, great dish for a road trip, party, serve it anywhere, or just make a bag of them, throw in the car, and you got a snack while you're driving, or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, subscribe, comment, hype, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out some of our other party type videos somewhere around here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.